Happy Friday, my cash cow family. Your cash cow is back in Carmel by the Sea, California, after having a wonderful Christmas holiday season in Colorado. But that's not what this video is about, guys. This video is going to show you or tell you how to make money online in 2023. If you were me, if I was you, here's what I'd do. Anyway, guys, I hope you've all been well. But again, I am going to show you what I would do if I was trying to make money online in 2023. Plus, guys, I want to go over some things, my commitment to you and this channel in 2023. I'm going to be making some significant changes, I guess you would say. So anyway, guys, if you like making money online, like I do all the time, I urge you to watch the entire video, and I'll flip it around and I'll just give you some updates on what's been going on in my life, and that's about it. So I'll flip it around and we'll get this party started. Did you miss me? If you're new here, I say that every time because I can. Anyway, guys, again, I hope you all had a wonderful Merry Christmas wherever you are in this crazy place we call a world. So, guys, the number one thing I would do if I were you is I would start a Shopify e-commerce store. And just to give you guys an update, because it has been a while since you've seen me, I did sell the real Caddyshack.co. About 10 days ago I sold it. And I didn't get the money that I wanted to for it. But if you follow this channel, my daughter's getting married in August of next year, 2023. And I wanted to give her $10,000 as a wedding gift for her and her man. So basically, I sold the site for $10,500. And I don't have to show you the proof. I mean, I can, but I haven't been paid on it yet, guys, because it's in escrow right now. I've transferred the domains. I've actually created 3 videos now for him to watch. One on Printful, on how to use Printful. Number 2, how to use Shopify. And number 3, how to use Google Ads. So I'm just in limbo right now waiting for that money to come through. But again, that's not what this video is about. Well, it kind of is, because I guess it shows what your cash cow is capable of, or he knows what he's talking about. So, guys, I would honestly, and I'll put a link down in the description below. It'll be the first link and the only link for a 3-month trial of Shopify. So, guys, there should be no excuses. If you don't have, it's actually $1 a month to use this trial. If you can't build a website in 3 months, guys, you're barking up the wrong tree. You should be able to make a website, especially right now with ChatGPT, and I'll show you how you can make product descriptions, landing pages in seconds, guys. So there really is no excuses. I'm giving you a trial, which helps me out. You're not paid any, you're not charged any more or anything like that. It's basically $3 for 3 months. So, and now you can use AI to create your websites and your product descriptions, which is absolutely insane. So let's just dive into that right now. So before I do that, guys, I ask that you go ahead and like the video. and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that yet. And let me just go into chat. We'll just do this real quick. Again, this is not what this video is about, guys, but it is about, showing you how to make money online in 2023. And a lot of you struggle with the content for your website, or for your landing pages, or for your product descriptions, or what have you. So I'm just going to show you just real quick, because I'm sure you guys have heard of ChatGPT and what it can do. It's absolutely insane what it can do. I actually, it's a little concerning, right? But if you haven't heard about ChatGPT, let's just say, let me go over to the Real Caddyshack real quick. I'm actually going to go to the store. And I'm just, again, this is just an example. So I don't know if this is actually going to work, because let's just see real quick, because it didn't like the word titties. It said it couldn't do that, but let's just see what it says. So I'm going to write a product description for this URL. Look at this, guys. So, introducing the Golf is Dope trucker hat from the Real Caddyshack. This stylish and functional hat is perfect for golfers and fans of the sport. Blah, 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 guys. I mean, look at that product description right there. Look at the bottom right there. So grab your Golf is Dope trucker hat today and hit the course in style. I mean, really? Absolutely insane, guys. And you could say, let me just try this. I haven't done this, but write a home page description for the Real Caddyshack.co. Oh, I wrote hack. Damn it. We can do that again, though. Again, guys, this is just an example. Welcome to the Real. So sometimes you might have to change what that says there. But so welcome to the Real Caddyshack. Your one-stop shop for all things golf. We're dedicated to providing high-quality, stylish, and functional gear for golfers of all levels. And say you didn't like the description. All you do is hit regenerate response, and it'll make another one. And say this is too long for whatever you're doing. I'll just show you what else you can do. You could simply say, make it shorter. Boom. Now, obviously, I'd have to come in and change the Real Caddyshack, versus the Real Caddy's hack. But guys, this is just one example of what you can do with this piece of software. So again, you shouldn't have any excuses if you're trying to come up with content. And let me get out of that. But guys, again, this video is not about the ChatGPT. It's more of showing you how to make money online in 2023. Shopify is in my opinion, the easiest platform for beginners. Guys, it's not rocket science to do this. But like I've always told you, and all the other gurus, well, the gurus I follow anyway, you have to take action. So I hope in 2023 that you guys will build a store or do something with making money online. Because guys, AI is taking over the world quickly. And you need to figure out what you're going to do, because I don't know what you do, obviously, but your job is probably going to go away. Not only because of ChatGPT, but just the way that the world is headed right now. I'm not going to get into that because YouTube doesn't like when you talk about that kind of stuff. So I don't need any copyright strikes right now, but not copyright, but freedom of, whatever. But guys, my other commitment to you, and why I wanted to make this video, is I am moving forward. I am going to make a new video every single Friday. So make sure, guys, that you have the notification bell checked and all that good stuff. I'm not saying that I'm not going to make more videos than that, but I will guarantee you, my commitment to you is to make a new video every Friday. And knowing me, I'll probably make 2 or 3 videos a week. But right now, that's what I'm guaranteeing you guys. I want to help you and show you that you guys can do this kind of stuff. It's not hard. I am not a rocket scientist like I look like. Someone told me at the airport I look like Clark Kent. What do you think? Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video right now because it's already too long, and that's my other goal, is to try and make these shorter and without so many words and all that good stuff. So the content's going to be better, guys. And as always, I'll be as transparent as ever, as you know I am. And if you are new to this channel, not only do I talk about how to make money with Shopify, but affiliate marketing, which I'm not steering away from. I mean, obviously, I'm still promoting a few things, but they're cracking down on everything, guys, especially with direct linking. So, I mean, this is just an easier way to build a business, or like a real business for yourself. And again, it's not rocket science, but in my next video, I'm going to show you guys next Friday on how to create a one-product Shopify store, dropshipping store. And I'll just leave it at that. But you guys are going to want to watch this, because we'll make a website like quickly, and we'll do a case study on it. And so I can just prove to you guys that if I can do it, you can do it. So anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful Friday wherever you are in this crazy place we call a world. And I will definitely see you guys next Friday. So I love you all. Again, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you have a safe New Year's. And I will see you next Friday. Peace.